Recently added CabOverAmerica solar powered wireless cab lights, which are pretty cool. And comes with this little remote to turn them on and off because they're not tied to the truck's lights, which would be kind of nice if they were, but then again, we carry a cab over camper and I turn off the cab lights because of the reflection. The issue is that you can't tell without, looking outside if the cab lights are on or not. So I wanted to add a pilot, and I stumbled across these little RF transmitter receiver, a little tiny board, and it comes with its own remote, and then you can turn on and off a light or whatever. Anything under 2 amps. You can buy bigger ones, but this one's 2 amp load, which I'm just using for a pilot light. Like I said, it comes with its own remote. The gamble I took was if I could pair this little board to the CabOverAmerica remote, which it did, and I'm just stoked. To set these up, you push this, there's a little set button on the board, you push it 8 times, it clears everything. Then you can set it up to work momentarily, for latching, for timed. I want it latching. And they're pruning some big eucalyptus trees next door, so it gets loud. Anyway, I want it to work on and off with the CabOverAmerica remote, so when I turn on the cab lights, it turns on the pilot, which is pretty cool. I really kind of didn't think this was going to work, but it just pretty cool. So now I can have a pilot light in the dash to know when the lights are on. Most importantly is so that I'll notice that they're on when I get out of the truck and turn them off. If I think this little guy was $12. Comes with the board and the remote. I can see these little guys coming in handy for remotely turning on stuff. Even this one, though it's rated at 2 amps, I could use it to trigger a relay, so it wouldn't see that kind of load if I wanted to switch anything. Pretty cool. So $12. I have a pilot light for my wireless cab over lights. And it works with the remote that came with the cab over lights. And that's all this video is about. If you're running these wireless cab over lights, you want a pilot light, this is an easy way to do it. $12 on Amazon. RF light control module. I don't see a name on this. I'll put a link in the description of what I actually ordered. Anyway, that's it. I'm not going to be able to see this. This is, I added a pilot light in the dash. This is on. Focus. Yeah. It's off. On and on, off, off. No real good way to show that.